Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert IPYNB to HTML in Google Colab. In this walkthrough, we'll use Google Colab to take a notebook file in the IPYNB format and convert it into an HTML file. This is useful if you want to share your notebook in a format that's easy to open in a web browser without requiring someone to run it inside Colab or Jupyter. Start by opening the Welcome to Colab page in your browser. Once you're there, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This opens the main menu for managing your notebook and accessing download options. From the File menu, click on Download. A submenu will appear with different file formats available for export. In that list, choose Download but IPYNB. This saves a copy of the current notebook to your computer in the standard Jupyter notebook format. After the notebook is downloaded, look to the left side navigation panel in Colab and click the folder icon. This opens the file browser where you can manage files being used in your Colab session. In that panel, click Upload, then select the IPYNB file you just downloaded from your computer. Uploading it into the Colab file area makes it easier to reference directly for conversion. Once the file appears in the file browser, click the three-dot menu next to that uploaded file. From the options that appear, choose Copy Path. This copies the exact file location, which is important because the conversion command needs the correct path to work properly. Now go to a code cell and type the command, Jupyter NB convert, space, dash, dash to space, HTML. After that command, paste the file path you copied. This tells Colab to use Jupyter's NB convert tool to turn that notebook file into an HTML document. Before running it, it's a good idea to quickly check that there's a space between the command and the pasted path. Small formatting mistakes can cause the command to fail, so this quick review can save time. Once everything looks correct, click the play button on the left side of the code cell to run it. Colab will process the notebook and create the HTML version for you. And that's it. You've successfully converted an IPYNB file to HTML in Google Colab.